Over the years, we have observed that our customers rely heavily on charts to visualize data. Furthermore, we have noticed that many users create multiple charts for the same object and each chart displays different data points. We've recognized a strong dependence on data visualization through charts. Introducing the next evolution in data visualization, dynamic charts. Compare this standard pie chart with new dynamic chart feature. With a static chart, your insights are limited. But with dynamic charts, you can effortlessly switch between data views, drilling down into details that matter most. Let's delve into the key advantages of dynamic charts. Real-time updates. Dynamic charts are not static. They dynamically update as underlying data changes, ensuring that users always have access to the most current insights. Elimination of redundancy. Say goodbye to the redundancy of creating multiple charts for the same object. Dynamic charts intelligently adapt to user preferences, showcasing different data points within a single chart. Intuitive data analysis. The feature offers a more intuitive and interactive way to analyze information. Users can switch between chart views seamlessly, gaining a comprehensive understanding of their data from various angles. Users can generate dynamic charts including pie, donut, bar, column, stacked column, and landscape charts.